Welcome to this lesson. Install Python on Windows, Mac, and Linux, step by step. If you're an AI engineering student, a master student learning AI, or an IT professional upgrading your skills, this is your first essential step. By the end of this video, you'll have Python fully installed on your computer, ready to power your journey into artificial intelligence and machine learning. Before we begin, let's understand why installing Python is so important. Python is the foundation of AI and data science. It runs everything from deep learning models in TensorFlow and PyTorch to data visualization to automation. It's cross-platform, meaning it works smoothly on Windows, macOS, and Linux. And it's AI-ready, the same language used by top researchers, data scientists, and companies like Google and OpenAI. Finally, Python's library ecosystem gives you instant access to thousands of ready-to-use tools for AI, data analysis, and visualization. Let's start with Windows. Step 1, go to python.org/downloads. The site automatically detects your system and suggests the latest version, usually Python 3.12 or newer. Step 2, download the installer, double-click it, and look carefully for the checkbox that says Add Python to Path. This is critical. It ensures that Windows can recognize Python commands from anywhere. Step 3, click Install Now. The installer sets up Python, pip, which is your package manager, and all necessary files. Step 4, once installed, open the command prompt. Type Python --version. If it shows something like Python 3.12.0, congratulations, Python is installed successfully. Now, for Mac users, we'll use a package manager called Homebrew. Step 1, open the terminal app. Step 2, if you don't have Homebrew, install it by copying and pasting the command from Homebrew's official site. It starts with /bin/bash and includes curl to fetch the installer script. Press enter and follow the instructions. Step 3, once Homebrew is ready, simply type gru install python. Homebrew automatically downloads and sets up the latest version of Python. Step 4, after it's done, check the installation by typing Python 3-version. If you see a version number appear, you're all set. One quick note, macOS still includes an older version called Python 2.7. Always use Python 3 to access the modern one. Now, for Linux users, particularly Ubuntu or Debian, Step 1, open your terminal using Ctrl+Alt+T. Step 2, update your system by typing sudo apt-update. That command refreshes the package list, so you get the newest software. Step 3, then type sudo apt-install python 3, python 3-pip, python 3-venv. This installs Python version 3, pip for managing packages, and venv for creating virtual environments. Step 4, finally, confirm it worked by typing Python 3-version. If you see Python 3.12 or your installed version, you're done. For other Linux distributions, the command changes slightly. Fedora uses dnf install python 3. The DNF uses .c -s. Python 3. Great work! Now let's verify your setup. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type Python --version. On Mac or Linux, type Python 3-version. You should see something like Python 3.2.0. That means everything is configured correctly. Congratulations, you're ready to start coding in Python. You've successfully installed Python, your gateway to AI engineering. Coming up next, your first Python code, talking to your computer. We'll write our very first Python program together and understand how Python thinks. Before you go, like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more bite-sized AI lessons. Share it with friends who want to begin their AI journey. Remember, every great AI engineer starts right here, with Python installed and curiosity switched on. See you in the next lesson.